Pakistan-India War 2025. India launches limited ground operation to target Allied militant camps across LOC. Pakistan responds with retaliatory artillery fire and drone surveillance. Pakistan destroys India's fighter jet. Pakistani hackers claim to have breached many Indian defense sites. Pakistan destroys India's air base. On 7th May 2025, Pakistan destroys Adhampur, India's base. On May 10, Pakistan launches a missile on Indian military. Both Pakistan and India agreed to brokered ceasefire.